blanketweed now. So I filled my bucket up with some water from the pond. And this is the blanketweed treatment I'm going to use today. So it's the cloverleaf all-season blanketweed treatment. The all-season one you can use in lower temperatures. The standard one, I think it needs to be above 10 degrees. So this is my go-to in the springtime. So it's very, very simple to use. Basically, we measure out the dosage. So each little cup will treat 400 litres. Put that into the water, mix it around, and then disperse it around the pond. So I know this pond is 10,000 litres, so I'm going to put 10,000 into my calculator, and I'm going to divide it by 400 because that's how much each little cup will dose, and that gives me 25. So I need to add 25 cups blanketweed treatment to the water. So what I'm going to simply do, disperse it all the way around the pond. In the instructions it tells you to pour it so this treatment is completely safe for fish and wildlife as long as you follow the instructions. It will turn the water murky probably for 2 or 3 days, and after that it will clear. So a quick recap, things that cause the blanketweed: feeding your fish lots and lots of food, nutrients and sediment in the pond, which causes organic waste and phosphate and nitrate to build up in the water, and also there's nutrients, phosphate and nitrate in tap water too, so if you're having to top up your pond regularly, that can cause algae blooms as well. So the best ways to combat it: reduce your feeding, use a good quality fish food. A lot of the koi pellets, but maybe the staple pellets rather than the high growth ones, are much better than the cheaper sticks. It looks really economical to buy the massive bags of pond sticks, but they're full of fill and they'll basically clog up your pond and cause nuisance algae quite quickly. If you use the best quality food, the whole system's a lot cleaner, you'll clean your filters less, and you will see a noticeable difference. Phosphate removers on your hose that supplies the water to the pond, so that's another good way to remove nitrate and phosphate. If you found the video useful, informative, or just entertaining, please like and subscribe, it really helps us. I'll also leave a link in the description for any products that may have used today if you need to purchase anything. Thank you.